Pero pag na-tow po ba kayo?
Sana po.
Ayun lang. Pag na-tow na po, wala na po yan.
Pa naman.
Opo, pero pag nakasampa na po, hindi na po pwede yan. Talagang bawal po kasi ang parking dito.
Kasi na lang ng IDP sa inyo.
Nonetheless po, mas maganda.
Kahit pag-ticket pa lang.
May ticket na po talaga yan.
Oo, pero baka pwede mo nandalin kasi bayaran na lahat yan.
Ay, hindi po. It's not about the payment. It's about your violation and the protocol that we have to follow.
You only knew why these cars are parked along each Ventura.
That's why it's being complained for several times already.
No, because we were being forced na to park outside.
Who forced you to park?
Management of MWSS.
They forced you to park outside?
Yes.
They told you it's allowed to park outside?
Given the choice, we would not have parked here, ha? Kasi nga, we live inside eh.
You live inside?
Inside, yes, the compound.
So you live inside the compound and
we're
they are...
not allowed to bring our cars inside the compound.
And you are being forced to park outside?
Yes.
For what reason?
Yes. Nagpamaldita ang administration ng MWSS.
Baka you can pwede nyo pong palabasin kung sino man po yan.
There's
There's a case already.
Yes,
Okay, pero kasi no parking po talaga itong H. Ventura.
No choice. We have a car, so where are we gonna park it, diba?
Well, if that's the case kasi you have
You're
to...
not part of it. You don't have any personal knowledge about it. Pero just for whatever it's worth, yun nga.
Pero we don't need to take personal knowledge as regard to illegal parking kasi first and foremost, this is an alternate route.
I know,
But
pero
you're not
where
aware na hindi na bawal ang parking dito?
This is a risk that we're taking.
So it's a risk.
We live inside eh. That's why I'm asking for your compassion.
Yes, that's why I'm asking you, towed na ba? Kasi kung towed na yan, hindi na namin pwedeng ibaba.
Paawat, sabi ko,
Kasi we have a protocol that we have to follow that within 5 minutes, if the driver does not present him or herself...
I was not given 5 minutes for
You were.
one of the cars.
You were.
No.
I'm pretty sure you were. There's a video. There's a video.
Driver, kakahinto niya lang, kinuha niya lang yung helmet, tapos tinuna.
May video po yan. I'm pretty sure.
Can we have
Ano po ba kayo dyan? Contest nyo,
Tapos hindi ko makukuha yung car ko.
pwede nyo namang makuha yan eh. Iko-contest nyo lang sa impounding area. Pero alam mo, attorney, with all due respect, the fact that you are aware that there's no parking dito and you were saying it is a risk that you are taking, meaning a risk comes with certain...
I do not contest that eh.
Okay.
So that's why I was appealing. Kanina, nung nandiyan pa yung sakit, I was appealing to your compassion.
But the appeal, di ba, I mean, on legal basis naman kasi when we appeal something, it has to concede with certain provisions din, di ba?
Yes, I know.
That's why sinasabi ko sa'yo, I'm trying to explain it to you. May binibigay kaming 5 minutes
But
consideration.
there was, I assure you, may 5 minutes.
Kaya nga, I'm telling you this, we have to go through due process, right? So if you think that one of your vehicles was not given the courtesy of 5 minutes, actually it's not a courtesy, it's a humanitarian consideration because under...
Same humanitarian
Because attorney, hold on because under our Metro Manila towing guidelines, we only give technically about 2 minutes. The 5 minutes is already an extended humanitarian consideration na binibigay namin as a precedence because we've been doing that for quite some time.
5 minutes.
Pag hindi umabot ng 5 minutes isang vehicle nyo, pwede nyo i-contest na lang po doon, ha? But not here. Yeah, you can check with the towing impounding group naman namin. Andyan lang naman sa pagbaba.
Sige.
Yung impounding area ng Tumana. Pero attorney, alam niyo naman bawat pumarada. So don't take the risk. Don't take the risk.
Kung pwede ko lang i-hold yung mga sasakyan na yan, I would have done it.
Then why you did not discuss it with the barangay? Kasi the barangay themselves is complaining about the illegal parking here.
Okay.
Opo.
So, yung kapitan
Actually yung umabot na po kami hanggang baba. I think a month or 2 months ago, I was personally here. Kasama namin ang barangay nag-clearing pa.
Yan. Tapos pag tinanong ko yung barangay, sasabihin nila wala silang alam.
Ay, hindi po.
Diba?
May mga coordination letters po to even before. And this is not the first time. If I'm not mistaken, within 2026, it's about 4 or 5 times na to. Itong H. Ventura.
Okay. Yeah. Oo.
Na kinomplain talaga.
So, since the barangay is double-faced.
Yan ang hindi ko po masasagot. You have to talk with your...
The kapitan is pretending to be, to care for his people eh. Yung pala, sa mismo yung
Pero kasi attorney, alam mo, well, probably may fault ang barangay kasi sinasabi niya, hindi niya alam. Pangalawa kasi under certain provisions, tulad nito, it's an access road going down a slope, bawal talaga ang parking.
Sir, I'm not contesting that eh. Ano na tayo dun eh. I fully understand that.
Okay.
Diba? Ang ano ko ngayon is yung barangay, they have the power to police yung mga nakapark.
Dapat.
Pag hindi na kaya, tumawag sila sa inyo.
Yes, actually yan po ang sabi ng barangay talaga sa amin a few months back. Nahihirapan na sila dahil matitigas ang ulo. That's why they are forced to request for
Okay,
us.
That's enough information
Opo.
for
Ha?
me.
May ano naman kami. We have all the records to present
So if I ask,
if needed. Yeah, you
yes.
can request for ano naman, yung mga documents kung ilang beses na na-operate to.
I'm okay. Okay na ako
Opo.
dun. Wala na akong ano dun eh. Pero yung wala sila mismo, hindi sila nagpupulis kasi ayaw nila siguro pumangit yung ano because yung elections is coming.
Probably.
Obvious yung political.
Opo.
ano.
Siguro you can I mean, they have to do their role din. They have to do their part.
Exactly, diba? And then, being yun yung barangay figure na hindi malayo sa tao, diba?
Dapat.
So, they should have,
Oo.
at least...
Kasi if
show
ever
us.
naman, like last time, di ba ginagawa yung pababa? So they asked us for a certain consideration na
Okay.
wag muna yun nandun sa ilalim. Sabi na, oh sige, ang i-operate lang itong nasa area.
Nandun sa ilalim.
Yung sa ginagawa.
Okay.
Nung back then, last year. Pero nung natapos na, pina-operate na rin nila ulit.
Okay.
Opo, ha? Ganun na lang, attorney. Doon na lang sa impounding area. Alright?
Okay.
Sige po. Thank you.
And then,
Opo.
yung 5 minutes rule.
You can actually, it's not a rule.
Insist it from...
It's a humanitarian consideration. You can
Okay,
check with the video nung tow truck, ha? Attorney, thank you. Vic! Kahit nasa ano pa to, nasa kanto siya, bawal yan. Yeah, sure.
Ayun,
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you. Umpisahan nyo na rin to. Pag umabot yung driver, sige. Pero pag hindi umabot, matutow yan. Sinabihan ko na kayo kahapon. Walang problema yung parking ticket. Ang problema yung lugar na pinaparadahan.
Yes, sir. Ito,
Ha?
i-avoid na namin yung dalawa.
Lahat ng kanto, ha?
Yes, sir. Ito, umabot yung may-ari. Pero natikita na yan.
Huwag nagbibigyan, ha? Eh, bakit kasi hindi kayo nagtitiket ng maayos? Ha? Hindi nyo tinitikitan? Ay, bakit expired? Uy, porke kilala mo. Eh, ba't may number ka?
Tatlo yan kasi kinukuha yun.
Eh, bakit?
Parang may problema.
Bakit ako pag pumaparada, hindi nyo naman kinukuha number ko? Oh, pag pumaparada ako sa ibang Manila, may ticket ako, binabayaran ko. Hindi nyo naman kinukuha number ko. Pag dito, may number, kinukuha nyo. Kasi kakilala nyo. O, diba? Ang problema eh. Kaya nasasanay yung mga tao na hindi nagbabayad ng ticket. Kasi naging kaibigan. Eh, wala tayong magagawa.
Saan lang talaga siya. Diyan po ah.
Wala tayong magagawa pag wala yung may-ari, ha?
Diyan na po.
Andyan na siya, no?
Kung umabot siya. Sorry. Alanganin talaga to. Dapat doon na. Pagtapos ng pedestrian crossing na kayo magpa-park. Yes, sir. Alanganin na to eh.
Apo.
Ilang meters, sir?
6 meters.
Wala na to.
Huwag na to, huwag na. Alanganin na to.